Hi there, how are you? I hope you all are feeling good. And yes, this is International Women's Day, and on this day, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. I know being women feels so special, and this comes with a lot of responsibilities at home, responsibilities at office, things for kids and families, and whatnot. And all this is not easy, I know that. But there are a few things which we can try to engage ourselves that feels relaxing and that feels special. And I would say we must engage in these activities as we involve ourselves in a lot of other things. And while doing so, we forget that we should pamper ourselves and we should take good care of ourselves also, because when we are healthy and we are happy, then only we can perform our duties much better. What do you say? You'll agree with me? I think yes. So let's get started. So here I have a list of recommendations for activities which are so rejuvenating, so good and so relaxing, which you can enjoy. You can enjoy it alone, you can enjoy with your family, you can enjoy with your kids, and while you engage yourself in these activities, you'll feel so refreshed and so relaxed. So let's get started. First and a high priority recommendation in this list is painting. When you see different colors merging with each other and they're making new colors, it feels so relaxing and amazing to see. And these brush strokes, they really do some kind of magic that feels so exciting. And the process of completing your painting and seeing it step by step growing, it's also amazing to feel. And you can literally use anything to start this very helpful technique. For example, this I've just painted this on a piece of paper and later I have framed it. I've also used some cake boards. These are just the boards which we get under the cakes, so I have just painted them. Funny na? So you can see I have decorated all my room walls with my own handmade paintings, which feels so good. And the good thing is that you can engage your kids in these activities. These are positive things you can engage your kids with. And these are some of the paintings done by my 5-year-old daughter. And I must say, I'm very proud of her. And it's so good to see your young kids getting engaged with these positive activities. So I would highly recommend paintings and arts for relaxing yourself and engaging your kids also in these positive activities. So do try out. Next in this list is gardening. Nature can heal you, it can really empower you in so many ways. And you will find it so relaxing just by engaging more with the nature. When we work with the soil, when we work with a tiny seed, and when we see this tiny seed sprouting, it's magical to see it. Watering your plants, spending some time with them, it can be a great idea to start your day. And then comes the fun part of decorating your home with your own plants. I really love this idea, and I must say that I'm obsessed with it right now. So you will see plants in every corner of my house. And having a balcony garden of your own can be a blessing when it comes to relaxation. So I would say you must try gardening for sure. Next thing, and perhaps the best thing in terms of personality development that can also be very rejuvenating is reading. So engage yourself with this whenever and wherever you can squeeze some time for yourself. And the good thing is that we have got the books available on literally any topic in the world you can come with. It can be self-help books, it can be productivity, depression, yoga, exercise, self-talking, investing, creating wealth, just whichever and if you have any topic in mind, you can simply Google it. You can say best books on this, and you will have a list of all those books. So just buy or borrow or dig out your own stuff of reading list and get going. So this is such a good thing. You can engage, and this helps a lot for personality development. This is perhaps the best thing we all can do for ourselves. So engage with reading. Next thing that I find very helpful to relax is decluttering. Yes, it might seem a little awkward to have decluttering as a relaxation technique here, but trust me, it feels so good to see a well organized corner of your house. It can be as little as just a shelf or just a rack in your wardrobe. It can be just a rack in your refrigerator. It can be a small corner of your room or the entire corner. It totally depends on you, how much time you have, and how much you would like to engage with decluttering. But trust me, it helps a lot when you see a well organized corner, when you find your study table literally organized and looking pretty. So it feels good, and it's good to engage in such activities which are relaxing also. At the same time, these are functionally very useful tips to manage our house also. So try out. Next thing that I would highly recommend for relaxation is writing. You can share all your thoughts with your diary. You can share with your diary your thoughts that you can't or you don't want to share with anybody else. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you liked it. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you soon, and you take good care of yourself till then. And I hope to see you again very soon. Bye. Take care.